I'm Steve Dietrich. I live just outside of Fredericksburg, Virginia, and I'm working on the Ferry Farm project, making what I call the 7 easy pieces of furniture, which is 4 low-post rope beds, a blanket chest, a sugar box, and a stretcher table. This is going to be the top for the blanket chest. It's 22 inches wide. The final width of it is going to depend on what the final dimensions of the blanket chest wind up being, which is going to be somewhere around 21 inches wide, and then I'll have a little bit of an overhang in front. So I need to use this whole board. I mentioned earlier that back in the 18th century they were still using virgin growth trees that were very wide and very old. So I was very fortunate to find this board from a fellow Fredericksburg area guild maker who had several wide boards that he had harvested from someone's property outside Richmond. And this has been air drying for several years. It's not been in a kiln, so it's going to work and feel like the period board did. So as with all boards, when they're rough sawn, they have warping, cupping, twisting. This board is both cupped and twisted, and what I've done is put 2 straight edges across it. So what that tells me is I've got a high spot on this end and a high spot on this end, so the board is actually twisted this way. So I need to work those high spots down. The board is also cupped across it. When I put the straight edge across it, I can see light through here, so I know I've got a low spot in the middle and this high spot here. This plane here, which is called a scrub plane, it takes an aggressive cut. It's got a cambered blade, and I can adjust the depth, but we'll see how this depth works. So it's not going to cut right here because of the scoop, but it will cut when I get out here. So I'm going to put my winding stick back on here. The board is almost flat across it. I now need to work on this corner. Not bad. Sight down it again. Okay, not bad. So that has taken most of the twist out. So at this point, I can take a long plane, a jack plane or a longer joiner plane, and the longer the plane is, the better chance it's going to keep the board flat. That's dead flat right across there. And I'll just continue to work the whole board that way, periodically checking to make sure I don't induce some additional twist. It's good exercise. I'm already feeling a little sweaty, and I'm just getting started.